Howdy, y'all. Here in the Lone Star State, we love our big blue skies, but boy, those summers can get hotter than a jalapeno in a campfire. And when it's hot as all get out, your old air conditioner is going to be working harder than a ranch hand on Brandon Day. But there's a better way to beat the heat and save some grain too. Say howdy to energy-efficient windows from Texas-made Windows & More. These beauties don't just keep your home cool and comfy, they help Mama Earth too. Regular old windows leak air like a busted oil pipe, but energy-efficient windows are tighter than a fiddle string. That means less energy wasted, lower electric bills, and fewer greenhouse gases. With these bad boys, you can cut your energy use by up to 30%. That's good for your wallet and good for our Texas skies. And not to mention, you'll be helping preserve this big, beautiful state we all love. Texas, land of wide open spaces and good old Southern pride. Y'all ready to join the energy-saving revolution? Give us a holler. We'll make your home greener, cleaner, and cooler than a cucumber in an icebox. Call Texas-made Windows & More today for a free estimate in as little as 15 minutes. Let's make your home as energy efficient as a new pickup on the highway.